This video is sponsored by Wild Police Chase.
This TVI car, one southbound. Show me your hands now! Get out of the car, do it now! Get out, stop! Everybody get on the ground! Everybody get on the ground right now! Driver, step out with your hands up! Step out with your hands up! Turn around, face away from me. Walk backwards to the sound of my voice. Come, stand up, you're gonna get dog bit. Walk backwards. Keep walking backwards. Stop, get on your knees. Get on your knees. Stay right there. Do not move. Driver, we need some more people down here. Nobody move. You got me? Don't move. Stop. Stop. Driver, stand up and walk back to me. Walk backwards to me. Keep going. Keep going. Keep coming. Keep coming to me. Keep coming to me. Step to your right. Step to your right. Step to your right. Stop. Go to your knees. Cross your legs. Don't move, everybody. Yeah, well, that was done, huh? Don't move. Man, what was that all about? Stand up.
Bullshit, thought I had some weed on me. I ain't even got no fucking weed.
Is there anybody else in that car, or is it just y'all?
Just us.
Everybody stand up. Keep your hands on top of your head. Turn around and face away from me. Face away from me. Come here, man. Y'all are good. Y'all are good. Y'all step right back here, but I'm by myself, so I want to be able to see y'all control you. Stop right there. Pull my pants up. Everybody stop. Pull your pants up. Everybody stop. Y'all stay right where you're at. Started to 11. Y'all go stand in front of that car for me.
I'll get my face.
No. Don't get in the car. Stand in front of it. No, stand in front of it. Go. Everybody stand in front of it. Yeah, there's a dog in there.
I'm allergic.
You're allergic to that?
I feel like
Get in.
my problem since a child.
Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, comment and share my video and press bell icon to get future updates.